Hi guys, welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we're unboxing these terrarium kits.
Okay, as Matilda said, we are looking at some terrarium kits. So these are DIY mini terrarium kits from a company called Glassworlds. So as you can see, this box is massive, and it's massive because we've got 50 set of terrarium kits in here. So we're going to keep 2, and then we've got another 50 in this box to give away to you, the watchers and subscribers out there. So wait till later in the video and we'll give the information on how to enter the giveaway soon. So first of all in the video, we're going to get a couple of the terrarium kits out of this massive box. We're going to check them out in our video. We're going to open up the terrarium kits, see what we get inside them, because there are 2 different kinds. And then we're going to put them into the actual terrarium kind of glass that we're going to use. We'll show all that up close, and then we'll give the information about the giveaway. So Matilda, let's get inside this box first of all and get a couple out. So there are 2 kits. So there's one in a yellow pouch and a one in a blue pouch there. So let's get all that, Matilda, and I'll move this box out of the way. So Matilda's got them out. The rest of them are in here. As I mentioned, they're all in there, so they're ready for the giveaway, which we will be giving the details for very, very soon.
It's a lot.
Okay, so these are the 2 pouches. We've got the yellow one and the blue one. Basically, the idea, the concept from Glassworlds, as it says on the back just there, is to turn an empty glass coffee jar into a vibrant terrarium. So if you've got coffee jars that you use all the time, you can recycle them obviously, but you can reuse them and build your own little mini terrarium inside them. So we've got the blue one, we've got the yellow one. They are slightly different kits in terms of what you get inside. So let's get inside these now and we'll get them out of the table and check them out. Okay, so we've got everything out on the table. Mine are labelled up with some little labels on them. Matilda's aren't. But on the back of the actual pouch, it does tell you what you're getting. So you get an 8-page step-by-step instruction booklet. So you've got one as well, Matilda, haven't you there?
Yep.
So that's the educational instruction booklet. I've got some asparagus fern seeds. So they're the seeds in there. So I think, Matilda, you've got them as well, some asparagus fern seeds. We have got some substrate components. So the substrate components are this one, which is Core, C-O-I-R. Not sure what that is, but that's what it is. I have got some molar clay. That one. Have you got that one in yours, Matilda? No, you've got lava lek. So I think it's that one.
No, I think it's that one.
No, it's not, because that's charcoal.
Ah.
So that's molar clay in mine, which is that one, and you've got lava lek. So they're kind of a stone almost, so part of the obviously a part of the terrarium, basically. Then I've got a sphagnum moss.
Same.
So it's like a dry moss in there, in that one there, Tills. So sphagnum moss. We have then got some worm castings. Worm castings as well.
What are the worm castings?
So the worm castings are them ones there, so it's that one. So they're the worm castings. We've then got some charcoal, which is that one. Base layer stones, that one. Base layer stones, and a pipette. So what will me and Matilda do now is have a quick read through the instruction book. I'll just see what we need to do to get going, and then I'll come back and explain a couple of things, and then we'll actually start building them inside our coffee jars. Now we've got a couple of different coffee jars, me and Matilda. I think I've got a Nescafe coffee one, and I think we've got a curry jar, an old curry jar, Matilda. Yeah. So I will read the instruction book, we'll get some close-ups of all this, and then we'll be back in a moment just to explain a few things. Okay, I've had a quick read through the instruction book, super simple to do. It tells you all about what terrariums are, how they work, everything included that's in the actual kit inside the book itself as well, which is great. It tells you about how to build up the layers of the actual terrarium, so putting everything in, what to do, it's all included in there. When me and Matilda do it, I'll do like a time lapse of us building it, or building both of them. The only thing you kind of need from your garden is some moss. You can drop some moss into it as well. So we'll get the moss, we'll get everything prepared, and then we'll be back soon with the time lapse of us building our terrariums.
followed the guide and built our terrariums. We need to leave them for 24 hours. Right, let's go put them in a nice bright spot.
Okay, all done now. We've made our terrariums, as you can see. Mine's in a Sharwood coffee jar, looking really good. Matilda's is in a Nescafe coffee jar. Really enjoyed making, really easy to make, weren't they, Matilda?
Yeah.
Yeah. All we needed to do was get the moss from the garden. There was plenty of moss, especially at this time of year. So we got the moss off some rocks in our garden, just enough to fill across the top. We could probably put a little bit more in there. I'm not so sure how that one will do, because it seems to be a little bit small compared to Matilda's. So not much might grow in there, but we will see over the next few weeks and months. But really enjoyed making them, didn't we, Matilda? Really easy to do. What's really good in them is the instructions actually in the pouches that it comes with are really, really good. So you know what's what, how to use it, and obviously what to put where when it talks it through the instructions. But super simple to make with the actual rocks, the mesh, the compost, or whatever the mixture of the different materials are together. Obviously dropping the seeds in as well. So you drop some seeds in, cover it back over, then put your moss on top. Put some water in, and then you've got to kind of wait for a few weeks now. It does say in the instructions to put them in a bright spot, not direct sunlight, but nice and bright. So we've got ours in a downstairs landing at the moment where sun kind of comes through, but it's not direct sunshine, but the actual temperature is nice and warm in the landing area. So all built, ready to grow. Okay, so the exciting bit, over to the giveaway. We've got 50 of these to give away, the blue ones. We had one yellow one which Matilda built, but we've got 50 of these blue ones. So Matilda, what has everyone got to do to enter the giveaway?
To enter the giveaway, you've got to like, subscribe, and comment on this video.
On this video?
Yeah.
Okay, so like, subscribe, and comment. And then what we're going to do, it's the first 50 commenters. So everyone that likes, subscribes, and comments, we're going to give it away to the first 50. We won't do a draw. We will announce after a separate video who has won them though, but it will be the first 50 comments under this video after this gets published and goes live on YouTube. What we will do, we'll run the giveaway for 2 weeks after the published date. So 2 weeks, that's 14 days of actual chance to enter a comment under the actual video, to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and that gets your entry into the actual giveaway. Okay, so that's the giveaway information all there ready to go. These have been brilliant, really good. I think these would make a great gift for someone, especially maybe at Christmas time, maybe a really good stocking filler type present, because the actual value of them is quite low in terms of the cost, because obviously it comes with everything you need for the kit. All you need to do is get yourself a coffee jar or a curry jar, some kind of glass jar with a lid basically. A good size one, I think will just be about all right with that. Anything smaller than that one though, I think you probably would struggle, so a decent sized glass jar is what you need. So yeah, I'd really recommend them as a gift to a child, an adult, but a stocking filler with it coming up to Christmas would be a great idea. And with the giveaway as well, if you do win one, you could give one away to a family member or a friend, or you could just keep it for yourself. So we're all done with the video now. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, but let us know in the comment section why. Any questions about these, any comments about the channel, about the actual video, anything we've not covered, any more questions you've got, drop them in the comment section. And if you do drop a comment in and you've liked and subscribed, that will also get you an entry into our giveaway. Okay, all done now, Matilda. Anything else from you?
Please like and subscribe. Bye.